Hi guys, welcome to Weekend Dev Challenge by CodeChef. So this is week 19. In this, every week we'll be giving you development challenges to improve your skills on coding. So this is week 19 and let's get started. So the problem statement says what we have to build is a URL Shortener project. So what does that basically do? You give a long URL. The system shortens the URL, makes the URL small, and then it gives you the same URL and uses MD5 hashing. Why does it use MD5 hashing is mentioned here. That is for generate consistent and unique shortcodes. Okay, so then it automatically redirects to the short URL from its long URL. Okay, so here we have this project in three parts. The first part is designing the shortener URI. Second part is enhancing the React UI to use backend APIs. The third part is building the Express backend with URL redirection. Alright, so let us see the part one. So the code. Okay. So first we have a function app. So here we have state variables and the one is long URL, and then this set long URL is to enter value or modify the value of this long URL. Okay, one more state variable is short URL, again set short URL. Now we have to generate a dummy short URL. For that, we check if there is no URL, there is no long URL, then we say please enter a URL. Then if there is URL, then what do is we get a random code. And then we take the code, we input the code from substring 2 to 8. Why is this being done? 0, 1, 2, the array, the unique indexes, that is basically, it starts with 0 dot and then followed by the short URL. Okay, so now here we have the set short URL function where the format is given, that is it starts with HTTPS short ly, and then here is a short code, whatever it comes is a short code, that is 0 dot something short code will be there. Okay, now we have a container, a class name that is container, and now here we have URL shortener. So this is basically the designing whatever you're doing for the input. Now we are using whenever the user starts typing the URL, so that every time the state is changed whenever the user starts typing. Okay, so after that we have given a button for generate short URL. So when you click on that, then the short URL is displayed. All right, so let me run the program. So you can see I'll enter this particular URL and I click on shorten. This is a short URL. So when I click on this, it direct back to the same page. So let me submit the program. So as you can see, all the discussions have passed, and that's it for this video. See you in the next video. Thank you.